Hi, good afternoon everyone. Francois here from the Make Proud Lego Build channel. Continuing to work on the Asil supercar. That's my little pup in the background enjoying herself. Continue to work on the engine block. We've got the valve covers on. We have half of the labels on that. It looks like we'll be adding a bunch of, well, certainly the exhaust pipes, some more chrome fittings to it, and then from there I think that's the end of section 4 and we'll be on to section 5. So with that, I will pause here for a second and we'll see you guys at the end of the video. Well, folks, this is a nice short video. We have made it to the end of part 1, which is a pretty big part if you ask me. So it looks like we'll be cracking into the next box. We still have 1, 2, 3. We still have 8 number 5 bags, and I'm guessing by the looks of some of those things in the bags that I saw some rear suspension parts. So I'm not sure how far back this thing was going to go, but for now I think we'll just call it a night. We in fact have got the motor installed. It's amazing to me. I mean, I've never, in terms of detail on an engine block, this is far and away the most I've seen on any supercar build. Even the Legos, they don't have valve covers typically. So this one does have valve covers. It's got sorts of manifold things, and yet it has movable gears that we can't see. We'll just have to trust that they're moving in there. So with that, I will cut you guys loose. We'll see you on the next video, likely to be sometime tomorrow. So have a good night, and we will see you guys on the backside.